In with the butter, oil, olive oil, the onions and garlic. That's 2 medium onions, 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to throw in the chicken. Chicken's got pepper on it already, just a bit of seasoning. It's 3 chicken breasts. 3 chicken breasts diced. Right, so while the chicken's still cooking down, we're going to throw in the curry powder and cinnamon. We want to cook, so we put the spices straight in, all in. And we just want these spices to cook down. You want them to release all the flavours. Four medium-sized tomatoes, diced. You just want the flesh. You don't want the seeds, just the flesh of the tomatoes. So take out all the seeds. And now we're going to add the stock, chicken stock. As you can see, what you see on the bottom, see there, all that nice flavour that was stuck to the bottom is now coming away from the bottom. It's going to go into that lovely, lovely juice there of the curry. The last ingredients we're putting in the curry is 125 ml of double cream. Now what the cream does is give the curry a nice, rich, creamy texture, and it thickens up the sauce. These kind of flat breads, they're literally naans, but it's just a flat bread. Shape of a naan, tastes like naan. It is a naan, basically. Curry. Oh, yes. So here's the curry all dished up with the rice and the naan bread.